Just imagine you trying to run 2 miles, 3 miles with something prevent you to breathe. The air filter is the nose, the exhaust is the... ¿Qué es la que hay? Welcome back to Tony West DIY. My name is Wes, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to you as well. Like always, I want to thank you for supporting the channel one way or another. If you like this kind of content, or if it helped you, you can support me by subscribing, pressing the bell button so you won't miss any of my videos, or you can just press like or share. Or if you don't want to do any of those things, thank you for watching. You are supporting me anyway. So on today's episode, I'm coming from an auto part. I went to buy some oil for the Civic and the Mazda RX-7, and when I went to pay, the cashier told me that the air filter was included. They have like a bundle, and for just a couple more bucks I was able to get the air filter as well. I was like, oh, there you go. I have another excuse to bring more content for you guys. And even though changing an air filter might not be a video worthy, you'll be surprised. That's what I thought for the video of how to change the oil and reset the B1 coat for the 2015 Civic, and right now has 2,600 views. This car has around 66,000 miles, and I don't recall changing the air filter ever. So I went and then got the air filter for this car. If you want to get it STP, the code for the oil filter, you want it STP, and then oil, that's what I'm gonna use right now. This one is for the Mazda RX-7, and that you guys don't supposed to see it yet. That's for a different video. But even though I'm gonna change the oil on this car, I'm not gonna cover that. You want to know how to change the oil or to reset the code, you can click on this card, and that video will tell you step by step how to do it. Air filter should be simple task. To open the hood, just pull that button right there. Once you do that, there's a level here. You press up, you get that, and then put it in this location, and let's jump on it. You see, that was too easy, but I still wanted to show you how to do it in case you haven't changed air filter in your car, or if you bought a new car and you haven't checked that out. Just imagine you trying to run 2 miles, 3 miles with something prevent you to breathe. The air filter is the nose, the exhaust is the... I don't even know why I throw that there, but basically that's what it is. And like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you don't even have to subscribe. If you press like and share, you still will support the channel. This is just a hobby that I do to help you guys, and I really enjoy cars, really enjoy what to do, and if I can help people, why not? This is the end of the video, guys. Stay safe, stay home, follow the CDC guidelines, and you'll be fine. God bless. Until the next one.